In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Ross gift card. We'll walk through the entire process from start to finish so you can send a thoughtful gift quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and head to the official Ross Dress for Less gift cards page. Using the official site helps you avoid third-party fees or delays and ensures the card is valid. If you're searching, look for the secure Ross domain and a page dedicated to gift cards. Next, decide whether you want a physical gift card or an e-gift card. A physical card is a traditional plastic card that's mailed, great if you want something to wrap or hand over in person. An e-gift card is delivered by email, perfect for last-minute gifts or recipients who prefer digital. If timing is important, choose the option that matches your delivery needs. Now select the amount you want to load, typically anywhere between $10 and $150. Think about what the recipient might buy and your budget. If you're unsure, choose a middle amount that gives them flexibility without overcommitting. Pick a card design you like. The look is purely cosmetic. It won't change the value, but it's a nice way to personalize the gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Enter the recipient's details carefully. For a physical card, confirm the full mailing address, including unit or apartment numbers. For an e-gift, double-check the email address so it doesn't bounce or go to the wrong person. If you're buying it for yourself, you can put in your own contact information, add a personal message if you want, keep it friendly and clear, and be mindful of any character limits. A simple note makes the gift feel more thoughtful, and many pages show you a preview before you proceed. Click Add to Cart and take a moment to review your selections. Verify the card type, amount, design, and recipient details, and make sure the quantity is correct. When you're ready, enter your payment information and the shipping or email details requested at checkout. Make sure your billing address matches your payment method, and look over any estimated delivery times. For e-gifts, delivery is often fast. For physical cards, allow mailing time. Finally, complete the purchase. You should receive an order confirmation. Keep it until the recipient gets the card. The gift card will be mailed or emailed to the recipient, and if it's digital, remind them to check their inbox and spam folder. That's it. You've successfully bought a Ross gift card.